Okay, here's part three. Part three of the Dune restoration. Look at that. Beep, beep. Here's your giant Tonka trucks. We're gonna see if that backhoe did anything. Oh, look, this person. Taping them too. It's okay. We know we're the original documentarians. Alright, let's see how they dump this load. Trying not to get this thing shaky, but you know, walking and filming, it's a little shaky. Sorry about that. So I think the backhoe finally started doing some work. That's what I came here to document. We'll see. I wasn't expecting a part three so quickly, but here we are. Stopping because the ground's wet and I don't want to walk in the water because I have shoes on. I will pick this up when I get closer. Okay, that one already blew its load, or it's blowing its load. See the dune spread out there a little bit, which is nice. When you get closer, of course. As long as these things don't run me over. These gargantuan trucks. Oh, he's turning around. Can you imagine if I got run over by this thing? Like, I would have to be walking so slow and clueless that I just meandered right in front of it. Pick it up when we're closer. It's the last load for today. We got an obstacle course here. To that dune and see how he spread it out. There it is. So now they're gonna line up. All right, so they're going away from me. Thank God I'm not gonna be run over by these Titans. There's the lead dog. These things are cool. You gotta admit, that is freaking cool. The size of those tires, man. Bell, just like my Italian Bell rocket, the Bell 314. They're like the Three Amigos. So long there, truckies. Keep on trucking. All right, here we are. This is what I came to see in part 3 of the Dune job. And the trucks were a bonus, clearly, so I was not expecting them. So you can see how they spread it out here. Man, that is tall. That is tall. That means somebody's view might be a little bit impeded. And they're going to be SOL. But on the flip side, the good news is that, you know, the water would have to get really high to breach that. Man, that is really tall. That is freaking tall. Let's see how he's spreading it out over here. Honestly, I don't know where he's pushing this one. I think it's a public walkway. Just think, up north you get the snow plows, right? Plowing the earth. Oh, I see. He's dumping it in there. It's almost like a ditch. This has got to be at least 12 loads of trucks, and so far it's only doing one house. That's not very, very effective. Well, I'm not going to say effective. It's not a speedy process by any stretch. Here's Caterpillar. Oh, I think I have some Caterpillar stock. Thank God people are still buying their equipment. I'm surprised it's not Komatsu. That's it, my friends. This is part 3. Man, that dune looks impenetrable. If it stays that tall, man, that is like super, super high. I mean, just look at it compared to everything else. I can't imagine, but you never know. Maybe they'll keep it that high. Anyway, that's all I got for today, and I will see ya. Don't forget to subscribe, by the way, whatever platform you see this on, and like the video, and leave a remark. See ya.